Ever wished you could see how your pages are connected? Link Vector's visual map gives you a bird's-eye view of your entire website's internal linking structure. In this video, you'll learn how to use the visual map to build internal links visually and explore other use cases, like building topic clusters, integrating orphan pages, ensuring easy access to key pages, and planning new content. First, go to All Pages, Visual Map. You'll start by seeing the internal link map for your home page. While this might not be very useful for internal linking purposes, you can narrow down the map for a specific page using the search bar. For instance, if you have topic clusters, you can enter the pillar page of a topic cluster. You can also double-click on any page node to view its internal link map. Hover over any node to see how it's connected to your main page. An arrow to another node means the page links to it. An arrow on both sides means both pages link to each other. The visual map helps you easily spot internal linking opportunities between pages within topic clusters to reinforce topical relevance. You can also build new topic clusters by connecting related content. To link relevant pages, click on the source page node, then click on the target page you want to link to. Next, review and apply the link suggestions. Another use case for the visual map is to spot orphan pages and link them with relevant pages to improve accessibility for users and search engines. In the View Preferences menu under Page Type, check the Orphan Pages box to display them. Then click on Apply Settings. Orphan pages are represented by gray nodes. You can interlink orphan pages with each other or integrate them with your existing topic clusters. The visual map also helps you ensure high-priority pages are easily accessible from the home page, ideally within 3 clicks. This improves user accessibility and helps search engines index your key pages. To check this, choose a crawl depth under the View Preferences menu. For example, a crawl depth of 2 levels means it takes 2 clicks to reach a page. Nodes are color-coded by crawl depth. For example, pink nodes indicates 2 levels. So if you see any key pages that are buried deep within your website, you can easily surface these pages by connecting them closer to the home page. Finally, you can use the visual map when adding new content. It helps you see where the new content fits within your existing structure and identify potential linking opportunities. So these are some use cases of the visual map that can help you see your website in a new perspective and approach internal linking with more clarity. If you have any questions or need help, email us at hello@linkvector.io. Happy internal link building!